The creation of a megaship begins with advanced digital engineering, where precise 3D models map out every steel plate and internal system. Massive steel plates are then cut with absolute precision using automated CNC plasma and laser cutters according to the digital designs. These plates are welded together into colossal, multi-story structural blocks, complete with internal piping and framing. Gigantic gantry cranes then lift and assemble these mega blocks into a dry dock, piece by piece, like a giant steel puzzle.
Advanced automated welding systems permanently fuse the blocks together, creating a completely watertight and indestructible hull. The entire hull undergoes intensive sandblasting and is coated with specialized marine paint to protect it from harsh ocean saltwater. Deep within the stern, the massive propulsion systems and iconic bronze propellers are installed to power the ship through ocean waves.
Finally, the dry dock is flooded, and the majestic modern marvel floats out into the open sea, ready to connect the world.